Good morning, gems. This is your motivation and encouragement that as the sun rises on your day, wake up, attack the day. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. Don't let anybody get you down. Keep your head up. Do the best that you can. And always strive for excellence. It is inside of each of us, but we first have to believe in our potential.
Hey guys, I'm here at Publix. I'm about to go inside, so let's get on inside of Publix. There. See. Okay. At platters. Let's see what we're gonna do. Got some. Of all the tea, regular, mango, blackberry, mango, raspberry, sweet, unsweet, green, peach, and lemonade. He already put it on there. Can I have a little regular mayonnaise on top of it? Thank you. Yeah, then they do it again and then they toast the bread. Corn and carrots, please. I also wanted to get a fish dinner. See, we got some cakes here. Caramel cakes. We got some Just Desserts. Those are plant-based. Got vegan chocolate cake. And then they have buttercream cakes, sheet cakes, cheesecake. Let's look at some desserts. Carrot cake, strawberry cream cake, Napoleon. Oh, strawberry cheesecake. We got some key lime. Red velvet cupcakes. And this one. These are my favorite. This. Would you all try this? Chickpea spaghetti? I don't know. I'm not that adventurous. I just rather the plain. And they also have the gluten-free one. This is very popular right now. Made from chickpeas. Now look at this nice wine selection. They have all of these. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Look at how much selection they have of wine. So many wines that you can choose from here at Publix.
Take care, bye-bye.
How are you doing today? $200.
Oh, I know. And it's gonna die.
In like 4 days. Hey everybody, here in my little chair sitting outside chilling for a little bit. It's a beautiful day like I just showed. The birds are singing, the sun is shining. I'm off today. I'm feeling really good. I got a good night's sleep for once. You know, y'all, I suffer with insomnia really bad. So I've been trying to do things that is good for my energy, like getting back into exercising again, spending time with my friends, enjoying a hobby. You know, sometimes we are so busy providing for our families, taking care of our business, that we forget to take care of ourselves. So I had to check and make sure I went to my doctor's appointments, start getting back eating healthy food, my fruits, my vegetables, upping my water intake. Yeah, all of that, because you have to love on yourself. You can't expect other people to love and fulfill you. You have to do that for yourself. So yeah, that's what I'm up to, and I'm just gonna sit out here and enjoy my day. I hope you all have been having a good day so far. It's too hot today in Florida to have a wig on, so yeah, we're all natural today. No makeup, no wig, no nothing. I'm just chilling today, and I'm just gonna enjoy the sights. So enjoy the sights with me, guys. I don't know what that is, but that's up now. Do you hear that, y'all? The sounds of spring. The birds are happy. I hear y'all. So I'm gonna hang out in the backyard for a little bit.